Before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe down below if you haven't already to the channel. On the channel, I've got lots of great content of repairs that come through the shop on a daily basis. On today's video, I'm going to be replacing the sprocket on this Husqvarna 350 chainsaw. Any of you that ever worked on a Husqvarna saw before knows that it has an outboard sprocket and clutch. So the difference between this and let's say the steel has an inboard. So in order to change out that sprocket, all you do is remove an E-clip, a washer, pull the sprocket right off. And of course on Husqvarna saws, they make it quite a bit more complicated with their engineering. The first thing you have to do is take off the shroud. Then you have to take off the spark plug. You have to block off the top of the piston, so that way you can take off the clutch in order to take off the sprocket. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do all that and put everything back together and make the saw run again. So with that, let's jump right in the video and I'll show you guys how it's done.
First thing I'm going to do is take off the shroud, and now I'm going to remove the spark plug. I'm going to use a plastic piston stop to hold the piston down so I can remove the clutch. You're going to want to hold the piston stop down while you're removing the clutch. And that is my piston stop snapping. Since the clutch is on so hard, let's try this a different way. You can also use rope to jam up the top of the piston. Go ahead and put the rope in where the spark plug came out. Fill up the cylinder wall with enough of the rope so that way you're able to lock the piston in place. The clutch needs to go clockwise to release. Once the clutch is off, now you can take the sprocket off. This sprocket has a ton of wear. Let's put it up next to a new sprocket. With the new sprocket on the right, you can see why we're replacing it. Now that the sprocket's off, we're going to check a couple other things. We're going to check the needle cage and the worm gear. I removed the worm gear, cleaned out the oiler, put the worm gear back in, and now I'm going to lubricate the needle cage. I'm just going to use some steel multi-purpose grease. Any high temperature grease will do. Make sure that the sprocket seats into the worm gear. The clutch is going to tighten down counterclockwise. And of course, that snap is a clutch spring coming unseated. I absolutely hate the design of Husqvarna's clutches. I got the spring put back into place. If you guys want to see how I did this, I do have a video on my channel. Make sure you check that out. Right here, I'm going to make sure that the clutch springs are seated properly.
So thanks guys for watching this video on replacing the sprocket on a Husqvarna chainsaw. This repair video should be able to show you guys how to do the repairs on any other model of Husqvarna saws. If you guys did find this video helpful, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and check out my other great content on there of repairs that come through the shop on a daily basis. And while you guys are here, make sure you guys check out the description down below. In the description, I'll put my Amazon affiliate links to show you the parts that I use on the saw, as well as the tools that I use to fix it as well. And since you guys are watching the video, check out the description down below. In the description, I'm going to have my Amazon affiliate links for the tools that I use in the video, as well as different parts that I use on the saws. So this is a great way to support my channel financially. Otherwise, pick up some great tools and parts in the process. So thanks again for watching this video, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day.